Here we are, 77 Ocean Boulevard, Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. It's a video being specially prepared for Craig Hansen of Anderson in Minneapolis, Minnesota, to demonstrate the failure of the sills in some Anderson sliding doors. First thing we're going to do is apply some putty to the right-hand jamb. And the putty is this material, we call it duct seal in the electrical trade, but we're going to apply this to the right-hand track, right here. It's super watertight. The thing we'll show you is inside the sill. Show you there's no standing water. There's water damage, but you won't see any shiny water right inside the sill. Between the sill and the carpet nailing track, you won't see any water anywhere. We're going to add about six ounces of water to the tank or to the track. And we'll wait. And right in here, we got water in front of the stationary unit, there and there. Water coming in. After about 5 minutes, we got a water spot there, there, and there, and there. The shiny is the water. There, 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 and right in there. They're just large globs of water.